Hi Joe.
Hi.
Now Joe is on the second stage of Rubik's Cube. He is not in full, but he is doing his best, level best, to solve his whole colors. On the might he will do one side of white and four different colors on the two layers. Um, and he's just a learner. He might hope so he will do all the things. And he has shuffled everything in the different colors. Now he's trying to do it within 60 seconds. Now, we'll see. Best of luck, Joe.
Thank you.
Now, your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Finished.
41.
4.
You finished. Congrats, Joe. You have finished. Show me. Yes, finished in 40 seconds.
I believe.
That's the thing. Look.
9:40.
One,
I believe.
two layer, one layer of red of two layers, one layer of colors in two layers, one layer of colors in third layer,
9:40.
two colors in the fourth layer. So this is the second stage, Joe. Congrats, you have finished in 40 seconds. Now we have to finish the finish it in the whole colors. Hope he will do the things right.